Hey everyone, Lou Clark here, and in today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes, a little sneak peek into my What's Your Money Superpower quiz. But before I do, I just want to remind you that the link for you to take this quiz is in the description below, as well as some other great resources I've made available for you. Oh, and if you like this video, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every time I release a new video. All right, let's dive in. I want to show you this. It is so cool. So cool. Hey, I'm back. Awesome. Okay, this quiz should only take you about 45 seconds to complete. I'm going to show it to you in a slower format so that it's not like I'm running through and this video is only 3 minutes long. I really want you to grasp the concept of what I've done here and why I've done it. The coolest part about this is that these questions are not scary. They are a lot of fun to go through, and I'm going to show you. But at the end, you're going to discover what your money superpower is. Yes, you have one. You just may not know it yet. I'm going to share with you in the results what you're really good at, but I'm also going to share what your kryptonite is, because every superhero has kryptonite. But I'm going to tell you how to conquer the kryptonite so you can move on and just keep strengthening those money muscles to make your superpower even better. Okay. Oh, and it's all free, by the way. It's all free. All right, let's dive in. I want to take it. I want to know. Okay. So, question number 1. Growing up, you were taught money grows on trees. There's no money without hustling hard and making it happen. Money is the root of all evil. Or, let me move my mouse there. Save and stash. You never know when there's going to be a rainy day. So you pick one. Just pick the one that works best for you. Which one? Let's pretend. I'm just throwing them here. These are not my beliefs. We're just going to go with them, okay? Number 2, how often do you look at your bank account? Seldom. I didn't know I could do that. More than once a day? Once a day? Once a week? I'm going to pick, I don't know, let's go once a day. Here's another one. I got to look over here because it's a little fine print there on my screen. What's your number 1 issue with money? Now, don't stop here. First, I want you to know, I don't know what you're answering. This is just between you and the quiz. I have no clue who's answering what, okay? I know someone's taken the quiz, but just keep going through the motions here. What was the number 1 issue with money? I budget every month and I receive the money I need, but there never seems to be any left over. That's most of the people I actually work with. I have so many ideas for generating money, but I can't seem to bring my ideas to life and make them happen. Oh, I work with those people too. My finances are in amazing shape and I don't carry debt, but I live in fear of seeing the number in my accounts go down. That's like if your bank account was starting to shrink. I make money easily and it seems to vanish just as fast. Most manifestors do that. All right, I'm just going to pick this one. Okay, this is one of my favorite ones. We all love the movies, right? So if you could be a character in any one of these movies, which movie would you choose? Ocean's 8. I'm not afraid to take risks and the rewards could be so sweet. Doctor Strange. Making money is all in the mind and I have the power. Moneyball. You won't make money if you don't innovate and think outside the box. And Now You See Me. Making money isn't a mystery. It comes from strategy and execution. And I'm like a bit of all of them, but I'm going to pick Doctor Strange because I think I'm going to watch that movie today. Okay, here's another one. In your perfect world, money would stay in your bank account. Money would make you more money. Money would fund your ideas. And number 4, expenses on your budget would shrink so that you could have more cash flow. I want my money to make me more money. Let's click that one. Okay, again, slower. It's not taking the 45 seconds because I'm explaining and going through these with you, okay? If there was one thing that you could do to change about your relationship with money, what would it be? Did you know you have a relationship with money? Did you know that? It's actually a real relationship like you are having one with a human being or a pet. My money would work for me, not the other way around. My account would look healthy at the end of every month. I know how to invest, save, and make money with ease. I'd know how, not that you know how. Yeah, anyways. I'd feel relaxed when I spend and lose the fear I have that it may all disappear. which one would you want to change? You're like, oh, I want to change all 4. Pick the one that's most relevant, okay? I'll just pick this one. Okay, in 10 years, would you like to see your ideas in action and an abundance of financial reward? Watch your assets appreciate in value? You invested wisely. Spend freely, you know there is always more money. Or have created a budget that always leaves you with a little extra to spend. I have like 3 screens I'm reading off of right now, just so you know it's why I get. Let's go with this one. Okay, so we finished that's it. You finished the quiz. So all you then do is you come in here, you put in your first name, put in your email address, and you're ready to see the results. So based on those questions I answered, here are my results. And I'm actually going to switch to put me in a little box so that you guys can see the results on the full page. Here we go. See my results. Waiting. I'm a mentalist. Based on those questions, I'm a mentalist. So I'm going to read you just a little bit about this, okay? I just want you guys to see what you actually get. Oh, I should mention this. The reason why you put your name and email address in is because what you're reading on the screen right now is going to be sent to you in a PDF that you can print off and you can actually study, all for free. And then you'll be put into my email community where I email maybe once a month. Guys, listen, honestly, I email when I feel like it. It's not spammy. I hate when people email me every day or every week. It's like, seriously, you can tell me what you need to tell me once a month. And if I'm interested, I'll come find you. That's my thing around email communities. So, mentalist. You're a clever cookie. You understand the inner workings of making and creating wealth with a naturally innovative mind. These are your superpowers. You're never short of ideas for making money flow naturally. In fact, you're probably the kind of person others rely on for financial advice. Do people come to you and ask you, like, what do you think I should do? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So here, I told you what your superpower is, but I'm also going to tell you what your super strength is. The super strength is ideation, which means you're full of ideas. So you're able to see an idea from start to finish. Just know the idea will be a success. Like, you just know, I know this is going to work. Okay. So I love this quote, one idea lights 1,000 candles, and that is your super strength. But on the flip side, we have some of the kryptonites. So somehow you get stuck in the detail and never seem to get anything off the ground. So for the mentalist, I just had to double check on that one. For the mentalist, it's like I have all these ideas and I get started and then I get hiccups and you're like, okay. And then maybe we're even not fully finishing our ideas because we're helping other people with their ideas. So every superhero has kryptonite or 3. So these may just be your kryptonite. So the one with the puzzle piece, you get bored easily and don't always see things through to completion. It's pretty legit real. We're getting real with each other here. The speech bubble, you're so focused on the next big thing, you don't execute the thing that could bring you more money right now. I've done that. And then the cogwheels, the practicality of bringing ideas to life can seem overwhelming. Okay. So here then I share. So I say, it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine what it would feel like to see just one of your amazing ideas come to life and manifest all the money you have been desiring for so long. So if you're ready to turn your ideas into money-making realities, here are the 3 steps I give you. Okay. So write a list. You are full of amazing ideas that could make you a lot of money. I was a mentalist for so long. Actually, I have attributes of all 4 outcomes. There's 4 outcomes. I have them, and they all start with M. How cute. I have attributes, and you probably too have all 4, but this is the one that would be a strong attribute in you right now. So the mentalist. Make you a lot of money. It is time for you to give those ideas a place to live. Get an epic journal. Get something cute, awesome, electric, empowering, and start writing down all the ideas you get. Choose your best idea from your current list and create a strategy to make this idea become a reality. People find that you trust them and ask them, I'm going to say that again. Find people that you trust and ask them to help you to bring your best ideas to life. Worker bees, accountability buddies, mentors. Okay, start with the list. Number 2, create a budget for your idea. Because the mentalist, we kind of just free flow in our money, or we get hung up in how much we do or don't have. So if you create a budget, it's really going to help you to stay focused on the idea. So this is where many ideas get tossed aside. If you have a plan and you pair it with a realistic budget, it will be easier for you to tackle the to-do list and implement what you need to bring your idea to life. Okay? And number 3, I'm going to roll this up a little bit. Give yourself a deadline. We all know that things get done when deadlines need to be met. So give yourself a deadline. If you want to see your idea come to life and you want to make piles of money, then have someone hold you accountable to that deadline. And no matter the idea or the size of the idea, if you think it can help you make more money so that you can live a better life, then the idea is worth investigating. Whether it's selling stuff you no longer need on Facebook Marketplace or getting a new job or a way to create some spending money, try it out. With a plan and the right people beside you, what is there to lose? So this is really cool. So when you get the PDF for your superpower, it has even more information in it for you. And then I do go in to tell you a bit about myself. And then I do have a 10-day money mindset reset program for $10. And then I also show you a few of the people who have taken it and what has happened in their life. So you can jump into that. It's $10. $10 for 10 days, you get 10 videos. So that is the superpower quiz. That is how you're going to find out what your money superpower is. Like I said, there's 4 of them. So answer the questions that best fit your situation. And if you're like, well, no, none of them fit my situation, then pick the closest one. Okay? It's 7 questions for hundreds of thousands of people to answer. But what I do know is if you answer it truthfully, you will receive some really great outcomes. And then you can walk around going, I'm a mentalist. I'm a mentalist. I'm not going to tell you what the other 3 outcomes are, what the other 3 superpowers are, because I'm going to keep that a secret. I got to keep a little bit. I got to keep a little bit back. So again, the link for this superpower quiz is below. Please take a few minutes to take it. Find out what your money superpower is. Find out what your super strength is. Discover what your 3 kryptonites are and how you can fix them. And then start. Did you know that starting is a superpower? Just starting something takes a lot of willpower. And it is a superpower we all hold and we all possess. Whether we use it or not, that's another thing. So I hope to see you on the other side of What's Your Money Superpower quiz in my email community. And also, I've created a really cool collective for business owners on Facebook. It's called the 180 Business Collective. If you're interested in joining that group for free, there is a link below that will get you access to that. And we're doing a bunch of free masterclasses and having a bunch of fun over there. So hope to see you somewhere on the other side of YouTube. Until next time, Lou Clark saying, go right now, find out what your money superpower is.